People will say you are raising this alarm because you know you don't stand any chance within the ADC. You are talking about transactional primaries, and they've not even laid the framework for primary. INEC they've not even given officially published the 2027 roadmap to 2027 election. Now they've not even kicked anything off. You are talking about the primaries, and a lot of people said it's because you know that there's no how you can beat the behemoth called Atiku Abubakar within the ADC.
So the question I would want you to reframe is this: what about if Peter Obi wins the primary?
A lot of people.
Fine. What you will see. Let me help you in answering.
It will be described as an upset.
Let me help you in answering. What you will see is credible and uproar even before the election takes place. You will see an uproar of the people.
Is it doing?
You will see
within the party. Is it doing its own
even
work?
Within the party, you will see the uproar of the people. Okay. You will see the people nationally and internationally chanting the sound of Peter Obi. And what you will end up seeing is credible elections because the right candidate has emerged. What you will see somebody who is a manager of resources, and that is Peter Obi. What you will see is somebody who has credibility, somebody who was able to leave 130 million US dollars in the coffers of Anambra State. And he left also about billions of naira, he left about 36 billion, if I'm correct, 36 billion naira into the coffers of Anambra. There is no governor, except for Musa Yar'Adua, who left 5 billion naira. And that is the kind of person that you will see. You will see a unifier. This country, since after the Civil War, we've had issues. You will see a unifier in Peter Obi. You will see somebody who is able to energize the base.
I've visited Anambra State several.
Yes,
I've visited Oka. There's no big deal. There's nothing.
No.
I've visited Oka.
Just
I've been to Anambra State as if you are talking as if you solved all the problems in Anambra State.
Yes, because basic things that need to be put in place were put in place by Peter Obi. You can't deny it. I was in Anambra. You are my friend. I cannot lie to you. You know it. I don't. It's consistent. Peter Obi make sure that every network of road in Anambra was networked. So can you deny that?
What's Soludo
if
doing
you
now?
also put...
What's the governor after him? Obiano,
how many governors have left after him?
Yes, two.
So then you cannot compare what he was when he was. Look, Ayo, I'm talking about a governor who has a Hausa man as his ADC from Kano, my state. How many governors in Nigeria to today has that? That is unification. I'm talking about a governor who was able to make sure that power supply is everywhere in Anambra State. You cannot deny that. And we are looking for such character that can translate that particular good governance into the national level. That's what we are looking for. We're not asking for anything. We're only asking for good governance in Nigeria. And we're asking for somebody who has been able to prove up till today. How can somebody keep so much money that he can steal? And he is also telling you that you don't pay people. You don't pay people in order to administer good governance to them. It is not done. And so when he wants to go into a primary, he goes into it cleanly. And then you will expect a transparent, free and fair election.
Peradventurely, if he doesn't clinch that ticket.
That was why I was asking you that question. Peradventurely, if he wins, what would you do? Would the other person
will he agree to be a deputy to Atiku Abubakar?
No. Now, I asked you the same question. What about if he win? Would they all rally around him?